You guys, something's rattling around in this one. I wonder if it could be Cubone's bone. Like, do you think we have to put it in his hand?
No.
I think we do. We're opening another one. Whoop! I've had a bad day. This is how I make myself feel better. I told you! I told you! Oh my god! Oh my god! I'm so glad I opened this one. Okay, I'm done for the day. Oh my god! I knew it! I knew it! I knew it! I knew it! Oh my god! Oh, he's so tiny! Oh my god, he's so cute! You guys, Cubone is my birthday Pokemon. He's number 104. My birthday's 10-4. Okay, let's put his little bone in his hand. I knew it! I knew it! Oh, I knew it! I knew it! I knew it! Cubone! Bone, bone, bone. Cubone! Oh my god, look how cute! Oh, I love the shading on it. Oh my gosh. Okay, where's the card? Ah! Yay! Alright, I don't care which one we're missing now. Oh my gosh. We got Cubone! Oh, I'm so excited. Thanks, Mom. Oh, I'm so excited. After we opened that first one and I realized that was the same day that or maybe like the same week or so that I learned that Cubone was my birthday Pokemon. And so then we found these at a card show, at the East Bay card show. We went to visit my brother who was vending, and we bought 2 of these from like 2 vendors down from him, and it was the first ones we'd opened. I got the Porygon and my husband got the Grimer. And so I saw that Cubone was on there. I'm like, okay, we gotta find these. And I ended up finding them at Chrono Toys up in Brea in Orange County, California, Southern California. And so my mom, when she was in there, she bought this box for us. So thanks, Mom. Oh my god, I'm so excited. He's so stinking cute. Put him on his little stand. He's got his little pony. Alright, what do we get? We got Fearow. No, that's Spearow. Horsey, Tangela, Persian. Oh, babe, guess what I got?
What'd you get?
The Dragonite card my mom bought me. Oh my god. Oh my god. And it was in the Cubone pack. Dragonite's my favorite. Oh, guys, I told you at the beginning of this, I was having a really bad day. This just made my day a whole lot better. Oh, I'm almost in tears. Oh, I love this card. I didn't know this was from the 151 set. My mom was like, do you have that card? We were at a card show. It was just a $2 card. And I was like, I don't think I do, because I would remember the clouds. They look like Toy Story clouds. Aww. All right, well, let's open the other one and see what we got real quick. Let's see. Can I do it quick? Ah! No. Golbat. Bulbasaur. Oh, I got another shiny. Poliwrath. Venonat. Oh my god, babe.
What?
I got the full art shiny Mew.
It's blue?
Yep.
Ah, that's cool.
So wait a second. I do already have a shiny. Because this is the exact same card that Coco gave me for my birthday.
Yeah.
I didn't realize that's what it was.
Yeah.
So now I have a Japanese version and a Chinese version of this card.
Nice.
Oh my god. Okay, this could not have been like a more perfect box. It literally had my birthday Pokemon, my favorite Pokemon, and my other favorite Pokemon. What the hell? And my mom's favorite. She loves these too. Oh my god. The woman was too stunned to speak. Wow. Oh my god, this is the best unboxing box I've ever done. My 3 favorites. What the hell?
What the hell?
What the heliante? Oh my gosh. And I literally just asked Will in the other video, or maybe in the beginning of this one, do you think you can pull a full art? And I did. Oh my god, what the hell?
What the hell?
That means luck is changing. See, my day's turning around. Thanks, guys. Thanks, Mom, for buying this for us. This totally just made my day.